Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Katsudon, pork cutlet rice bowl. It is a very popular rice dish in Japan. I know you like it. I hope you can try it out. This video is made in VR180 format. You can move around the screen 180 degrees, and also if you have a Google Cardboard or whatever the headset available, you can view this kitchen in 3D view. Put your headset on and let's cook together. I hope you enjoy this video. Here are the ingredients. Written recipe is always in the description box, so please check it out. So today I have a special guest, my mom. Okay, let's get started. So she's going to cut the fat remaining to avoid curling when deep fried, and season with salt and pepper. So you need 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of flour, and mix this together. So I'm making the batter to dip in the meat. Then dip in the meat and coat with panko. Wow. So now I'm going to make Tonkatsu dashi broth. I have 75 milliliters of water and dashi powder, a pinch of dashi powder, and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. 混ぜるものこれでいいか。いいもう。And mix this together. We have Mitsuba leaf and Mitsuba stock cut in small pieces and sliced onions. できてる？ You can simmer it in the broth later if the meat is not done, so you don't have to worry about it, and you can just deep fry until nicely golden brown. これで So now you put the tonkatsu dashi broth here and the mitsuba stock because it cooks slowly, and onion slices. Now you can cut the pork into bite-sized pieces. We are just going to pour over the egg sauce and not going to simmer it together. But if your pork is still red, you wanted to put in the simmered broth and cook it. So you need 1 egg. You wanted to simmer this together in the broth. While it's boiling, you put from the edge of the pan, and you just wanted to slowly move your chopstick in a circular motion and stop the heat. So she stopped the heat and add mitsuba leaf and just wait until it cooks. Oh, it's going. Now serve the rice in a bowl as much as you want. Now put the pork cutlet on top of the rice. Wow, 美味しそう。美味しそう。え、なになに？フライパンで。美味しそうです。すごい美味しそう。じゃあいただきます。すごい熱々だね。熱い。 おいしい。すごく美味しいです。